Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Luxera token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Luxera is a deflationary utility and DAO token built on BNB Smart Chain. It features an automated burn mechanism and uses pink lock for team and community vesting. The project focus on real-world payment adoption by bridging blockchain with merchants and consumers globally. Luxera project institution rating is 4.2 and this project audited by Ceritic. Luxera token total supply is 27.9 million and circulating supply is 21 million XERA token. XERA token is listed on PancakeSwap, V2 and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.